Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin Brett. Yes, I named him and turned him into an art object because he is so big part of this channel and he deserves it. And this is a new video of the project Artist vs Brand, project about challenging brands and their most popular printed clothes. And in this video I'm challenging brand Off-White and this brand's Statue of Liberty t-shirt. I chose this t-shirt because I have never been in America and I would love to visit New York, so I will paint this t-shirt for myself and it will be perfect for my first trip to New York. And as always, I will not try to create exact copy of this t-shirt because I can make it better. So let's begin. I drew a sketch of Statue of Liberty on paper and now I'm thinking how to place painting on the t-shirt. First I will paint with grey color and I will mix black and white color to create it. And now I will paint Statue of Liberty on the t-shirt freehand. I'm so freaking out to start painting. I know I could play safe. I could first paint Statue of Liberty on papers and I would transfer this image to the t-shirt. It would be easy, but it would be boring. I mean, I wouldn't get these emotions and I wouldn't be so much happy with the result. And you know, I'm a bit strange person, but I love challenges. And you know, I've been painting on clothes for 5 years, and for 4 years I was using first paper. I was painting on paper first, then I was transferring this image to clothes, and now when I'm able to paint freehand, it's kind of a new exciting level for me and I love it. My Statue of Liberty has some problem with her lips. I need to fix them. And it doesn't look like Statue of Liberty now, but I will work on it. And now I will paint shadows on her face. And her crown. And I will not paint completely arm of the statue, same as on Off-White t-shirt. I will paint just the beginning of arm. And now I will fix her eyes because I placed them wrong, so she doesn't look like Statue of Liberty now. And of course spikes. Coffee break, sketching is finished and I'm so tired. And now I will add a bit color to the Statue of Liberty. I will use purple, blue, red, green, yellow colors and I will mix them with white color to create pastel colors. I think these pastel colors will be perfect for the Statue of Liberty. So brand Off-White. I wanted to challenge this brand the most because this topic is very interesting for me. Can a street fashion be a luxury fashion? Sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies be a luxury clothes? Because brand Off-White is a luxury streetwear brand and they prove that yes, with strong branding and with help of celebrities, everything is possible and you can sell t-shirts for $500. Write me your thoughts about this topic in the comments below. What do you think about luxury t-shirts? And actually with my art I'm trying to prove that t-shirt can be more than just some printed piece of fabric, but a piece of art. And now is my favorite part. I will create a background and I will paint it with blue color because I will paint the sky above the Statue of Liberty. Beautiful blue New York sky. And also I will splatter paint. Painting is finished and I couldn't be happier with the result. But one more thing I want to do. Brand Off-White is famous with their quotes on clothes. Little black dress, boots for walking, big sculpture. Because as you know, in art galleries every artwork has a name in quotation marks. So this way Virgil Abloh, the founder of the brand, questions the meaning of art. Like, what is the difference between dress and artwork? bake and sculpture. And nowadays everything can be an art. So I think it will be very ironic to write the name of the artwork on this t-shirt in quotation marks, because t-shirt can be actually an artwork. So let's do it! And now I draw 2 lines for the writing, and I draw it with simple pencil, and you can erase the pencil with the eraser if you wish. And I will write the phrase art fashion, what I'm creating and what brand of white is trying to create, but it's hard to do with printed t-shirts and sweatshirts. And to write on clothes is so easy, and if you wish you can watch my step-by-step tutorial how to write on the hoodie. You can find this video in the description below or here in the card, you can see it. And painting is finished!
Sweating. I want to be a part of it. New York.
I'm so in the mood now to fly to New York. I hope I will visit it as soon as possible. Write me your thoughts about this t-shirt in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And see you in the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.